Evaluate 2/3 to the negative third power times 2/3 to the fifth power. First, let's rewrite this vertically so it's a bit easier to see what we're working with. And then we need to resolve this negative exponent here. Remember that the law of exponents says any number raised to a negative exponent will find the positive version of that exponent in its reciprocal. Whenever we're taking the reciprocal of a whole number, like the whole number 5, any whole number is technically a fraction over 1. 5 divided by 1 just gives us 5, so we just write it as this whole number 5 instead of 5 over 1 all the time. If we were to take the reciprocal of a whole number, that's why we get the 1 over 5. In this case, since we have a full fraction with a numerator and denominator, we're going to need to flip the numerator and denominator to find its reciprocal. So the reciprocal of 2/3 is 3 over 2. And now it is to the positive 3 power times 2/3 to the positive 5 power. And now we can start to do this multiplication. Let's resolve our exponents first, right, following our order of operations. This exponent will apply to both the numerator and the denominator. So we will have 3 to the third over 2 to the third times 2 to the fifth over 3 to the fifth. And we can write that out as 3 times 3 times 3 over 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times itself 5 times and 3 times itself 5 times. And the reason you want to do this is because it's much easier to then cancel out or factor out a greatest common factor. Here we can factor out 3 2's. That's our greatest common factor. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And then here we can factor out 3 3's. That's our greatest common factor. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So now we are left with 1 over 1 times 2 over 3 times 3. Anything times 1 is just itself. 2 times 2 will give us 4. 3 times 3 will give us 9. So 4/9 is our answer. Answer choice D.